If you are looking for a cool place to eat when you're in Charlotte, North Carolina, one of the main places to go is Optimist. It's like a warehouse that is full of different places to eat. And we are going to try and take a look at what it has to offer. Charlotte is a beautiful place, and I'm gonna just show you some of the scenery around this area. So we got Optimist Hall here, and then you got a lot of nice little buildings, little apartment buildings. But we are and we have a tower that says Optimist Hall. Check that out. So we are gonna go inside and take a look and see what we see. Let's check out some good places to eat. I'm gonna try to make a note of it so when I come back, I know exactly what it is that I want. See, real cool place. You can sit outside and eat. You can't beat that. As well as you have places up here. These are their hours. Got Harriet, the dumpling lady. Something for pets, pet wants. Barbecue. I guess there's strippers on ride. A little walkway to get to the other side. It's somebody's birthday here. And this is Zuku. Looks good. And if you want some libations, they got a nice little bar at the end. Got some really nice cocktails, frozen on the rocks, wine, things if you don't want any alcoholic beverages. That's pretty cool. It's a nice little bar. You got a royal crab roll, pizza. Cleaning table space, sitting space. They have an actual brick oven. And if you want Ethiopian, in there. So it's a lot of cool places in here. So it's literally something for everyone. And they have more sitting area. Damn, keep on going around. Come on. Some churros, queso, juices. If you want some coffee, there are coffee. A ramen place. Empanadas. Grilled cheese. I think that is nice over there. Gelato. Got a little store. Oh, what's on there?
I don't know. I haven't been there.
Let's see. There's another little place where you have been. We'll check that out. Street food. Oh, it's a nice little restaurant. Okay. Hot chai. And there's more seating. Cool. I know. So, Optimist Hall. Definitely the place to come when you are looking to get something to eat while you're in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's something for everyone here. So no matter what your fancy is, this is definitely the place to come hang out. One good thing, you get free parking for the first 90 minutes, and for the first 3 hours, it is only $6.99. So definitely can't beat that whatsoever. So we are headed out. It is time for us to leave. As you see you soon. So, until the next time, check out Optimist Hall. You definitely won't regret it. And out of the places that I showed you, let me know which one you think that you would like to try to dine at. Have a wonderful day.